Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you software that help you to auto comment on Facebook group by using page. So this is my software that I use. First, I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook accounts. This software also has the page management. This function will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook page of your account. You can see this is a list of my fan page for my account. Next, to go to auto comment on Facebook groups, you need a content, so I will go to content management. You can add your content in here by pressing add article, and you can add content in here and with your image and video. After you done, you can press save. After you get a content, you can go to comment function. You can choose comment by page. After that, you can select your account that you want. First, the distance between two action. I will set up from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Next, I will choose the content that I want to go to comment. Next, in comment organic tool, you can choose comment by to profile, to the group ID participate, by group ID list, by post ID. So I will choose the group ID list. Next, I will enter the group ID that I have. Here you can see I already have 50 UID of the group that I want, and I press save. You can choose do not allow group ID overlapping comment. You can choose release emotion after commenting. You can choose any emotion that you want. Okay, after everything set up, you can press start and let the software do work.
Nó không phải là nhiều, mình có thể là vài công nhân được. Phần mềm Facebook nó tương tự như thế, phần mềm Facebook là mình nhiều con bình luận.
So after comment done, you can go to comment function, and in here you can check, you can see the history of your comment, and you can check the link and go check.
Có dùng được không? Cái này chưa dùng được đúng không? Bây giờ chúng ta gì nữa? Chúng ta là cái động kiểu nào?
So here this is my comment in my group.
Hoặc là lấy một cái nick khác nhắn gửi. Nếu mà chúng không trả lời thì không trả lời.
So basically, I just show you software that help you to auto comment on Facebook group by using multiple pages. If you need more information, you can contact me in my Telegram or my WhatsApp. The details are below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for our channel.